Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Binance and want to secure it in your Tangem wallet for 2025, you're in the right place. This guide is perfect for beginners and seasoned crypto users alike, helping you take control of your assets safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Binance account set up with XRP in it, and your Tangem wallet is fully initialized and ready to receive funds. Tangem wallets are hardware-based, so they're super secure for storing crypto like XRP. Start by logging into your Binance account on a secure device. Head over to the Wallets section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your XRP is held. Next, click on Withdraw next to XRP. You'll need to enter the wallet address from your Tangem. To get that, open your Tangem Wallet app, select XRP, and generate or view your receiving address. Copy this address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, back on Binance, paste the Tangem address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees. XRP transactions are fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Select the XRP network, it's usually the XRP Ledger network, and review all the details. Hit Withdraw and confirm with your 2FA for added security. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation email or notification. It should only take a few minutes for the XRP to appear in your Tangem wallet, thanks to XRP's speedy blockchain. Open your Tangem app to verify the balance. Boom! Your assets are now safely off the exchange. A quick tip: always transfer a small test amount first to ensure everything works. In 2025, with evolving regulations, keep an eye on any new KYC requirements or updates from Binance and Tangem. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there and happy investing.